Hi, this is Maggie Tomei, and join us for this week's visit to Blackpoint Drive. Blackpoint Drive is located in Merritt Island National Wildlife Refuge in Titusville, Florida. One of our first sightings was an Inhinga drying his wings. Next we came up to a group of cattle egrets and little egrets, enjoying the sun, and a few of them had an itch or two that they had to scratch. Now we're going to leave the egrets behind and continue on our drive. Our next visitor was a reddish egret, and he was enjoying playing in the water and enjoyed a couple little tiptoes through the water. Leaving this little guy behind, we come upon a little blue heron. He's crouched in the bushes. And then we come upon a common gallinule doing a little swimming and fishing. Next, another little blue heron. Our next visitor was a great egret, doing a little hunting and fishing along the way. Leaving the egret behind, we come upon a great blue heron. He is doing a little fishing along the way. Be careful, buddy, don't fall in. Leaving the great blue heron behind, we came upon some ibis. First, some glossy ibis who were doing a little munching in the grass, and then we came upon regular ibis along with glossy ibis, and it looks like a juvenile glossy ibis also joining us. Fly, little ibis, fly! And next we came upon what I think is a female green-winged teal. Correct me if I'm wrong. And the biggest surprise was a manatee. We were so excited to see him munching in the water. And you can't enjoy a visit to Blackpoint without seeing a turkey vulture. They are literally everywhere. And here's a list of what we saw this week. If we misidentified anything, please let us know, and please subscribe down below. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next week.